Hi y'all, it's Marie from Sunshine Faith Real Estate Investments. I am so happy you're back with me today because today we're going to be looking at some shed to homes down in Prattville, Alabama. They have this big old shed manufacturing company, and so I kind of was driving through there and saw it and stopped and kind of looked around, and the owner actually let me go to their warehouse where they actually create the sheds, but you know, I'm human, so I kind of thought I pressed the button to record, and I recorded 2 seconds out of the whole hour's worth of warehouse. So my bad, but hopefully you love the video. If you like the video, go ahead and hit that like button. Hit the bell if you want additional notifications whenever I upload new videos, and subscribe to my channel. Alright, so here we go. We're about to go to the actual shed company, and hopefully I'll get to show you a little bit more, maybe in another video, where you can go and create your own shed. So here we go. Here at a shed company shed company, I guess. I'll tell you the name as soon as I go back. And so this is one of these little shed things. It's cute as I don't know what. But I went in and I got a pamphlet, and I'm going to show y'all online all the different things you can do to it and everything. Has the high ceiling. I don't know how large this thing is. It's already sold, I know that much. But this is freaking amazing. They said that they can even put in the electric for you. So all you'd have to do is doggone it plumbing. And you even get a porch if you want one. You can buy it, but it's a tiny house. So sorry again for the noise, in the same little area I was before. But here's another one. I think I'm just going to create this whole video. This whole video has to be about these little tiny shed houses, because she even told me I can go to the place where they make them. So as soon as I leave here, that's where I'm going, and get a little video so I can put it on here. So here's this one. It's really pretty. And it's a cream color metal roof. Has a little bitty porch. It's not as big as the other one. I should have brought the microphone, but it has some insulation at the top. So this one is insulated and everything. And it has electric. Doggone it. Ha! Y'all, I am so interested in getting one of these little sheds because I don't want a mortgage at all. And if I can buy some land and have my own little shed, can run my business, or it'd be a house, because a house is a home. But if I could have one, oh, there's some of the stuff on the side, but whatever. Oh, all you need is some sheetrock and some plumbing, and you'd be okay in one of these things. Now, she did say their largest one they could build is 16 by 60. But I thought about that. That's freaking huge for a tiny house. So here's one that kind of looks like a barn, if that's what you like. So they have all different kind of styles. Okay, they also do like garage little shed thingies. But I think I'm about to go to the place where they build them, so I'll be back with you in just a second. So I hope you really liked the video today. Maybe now you're interested in creating your own shed to home. So hopefully the next video I'll show you how to do that online. And then the next one after that, we might even get into going to a container shipment yard and seeing how you can create your own container home. So again, if you like these videos, go ahead and hit that like button. If you want additional notifications, hit that bell and subscribe to our channel.